So these two are brand new PS5 DualSense controllers that I have on sale. These are actually brand new controllers that I am yet to open. As you can see, the seal is still intact on both of them. And I have been repairing controllers for the past 6 months now, and I have removed faulty sticks from a lot of PS5 and Xbox controllers. At this point, I have fixed over 100 PS5 and Xbox controllers, and you can see these are the sticks that come included with these controllers. These sticks are made in a way that they are going to give you stick drift in a matter of few months, and if you are not a heavy user, it might last about an year, but not more than that. Your controller is bound to fail. Your controller is surely going to have stick drift because Sony decided to use these sticks. A simple fix to this problem is the use of Hall effect sticks. This is a Jinful V5S Hall effect stick, and I have used this in a lot of controllers, and this is absolutely a drift free stick. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to install this Hall effect stick in these two brand new controllers. I'm yet to open these, and once I get an order for this, I am going to install Hall effect sticks like these in these two controllers and will send it to the person who buys it. So this is for people who are in India. And if you want to buy a brand new controller with Hall effect sticks, then this is a controller for you. I have fortunately two colors available. These are the last two pieces that I have in stock now. And once I get an order, I am going to install these brand new Hall effect sticks in it. We'll share all the images on WhatsApp. And if you want to buy these, you have to contact me on WhatsApp. The number is mentioned in front of you, and you can get basically brand new controllers, brand new PS5 DualSense controllers with Hall effect sticks. These sticks are drift proof, and if you're not sure about who I am, what I do, you can check out my Google business profile so that it builds some trust. And that is about it for this video, selling brand new PS5 DualSense controllers with Hall effect sticks out of the box basically. Thank you very much for watching. Do contact me on the number mentioned above if you want to buy these brand new controllers.